channel, please do subscribe, and if you like the video, give a thumbs up, give a like, and share it maximum with as much possible with your friends and family. Alright guys, तो आज हम लोग यहाँ पे ना we will start with, बहुत सारे लोगों को पता होगा शायद, फिर भी हम लोग we'll just give it a try again, okay? We'll try to learn how to count from 1 to 100, but in this video I'm going to do only from 1 to 10. In my next video you will be getting the rest, 11 till 100. Alright, so I know most of you must be knowing this, फिर भी inshallah I'm just giving you so that you get the good fluency in this one, alright, and the good pronunciation. Alright, so for 1 we say वाहिद, एक को हम लोग कहते हैं वाहिद, दो actual अरबी में इत्नान होते हैं, but we say इत्नेन, दो को इत्नेन, तीन ثلاثة, चार أربعة, पाँच خمسة, छः ستة, सात سبعة, आठ ثمانية, ثمانية ثمانية, नौ تسعة, تسعة, और 10 को عشرة, عشرة. Okay, so let's rewind again. It's واحد, اثنين, ثلاثة, أربعة, خمسة, ستة, سبعة, ثمانية, تسعة, عشرة. Alright guys, so hope you guys like my video. So if you have liked, please do give me a thumbs up, share and subscribe, and you can get the continuation of this video in my next video. Sorry, the continuation of this, yeah, the numbers, learning numbers, yeah, in my next video. Alright,